ano yung mga biggest takes dito sa panalo nyo na natapos yung 2-game losing streak?
Siguro yung biggest takeaway namin talagang gigil talaga kami na makabawi from that dalawang sunod na pagkatalo. Yung isa heartbreaking na, pero ayun, na-execute naman namin yung pinag-aralan namin, yung mga baon namin, na pakita namin yung baon namin. Kaya ayun, naging maganda.
Thank you to Paida. You had 14 points on 13 on 23 attacks and 1 block, and you collected 8 digs. So this is probably your best performance this season. What can you say?
First, I say thank you for the coaches and also for the system coaches give to us. We lost 2 games, and this game we said like because we have union, like we have also determination. We say we come back for this game, and also we do well.
Thank you to Chen. You had 12 points on 12 attacks. So what can you say na nakabalik kayo sa win con again this match? What can you say?
Gaya na nung sinabi ni Coach na sobrang masakit nung UST and then nasundan nung NU. Yung mindset lang namin na babawi talaga kami this game, and kasi nakalaban namin sila nung pre-season sa Shaky, so inisip namin na parang hindi namin sila pababawian this UAP. So ayun, pinagtrinabuan namin, pinaral namin yung galaw nila, and then in-ensayo namin, in-execute namin. Ayun, maganda yung kalabasan ngayon.
Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Then, as a leader lang din, ano lang yung naging realizations nyo, yung mga top losses nyo na dinala nyo ngayon para this time matapos nyo naman straight sets na wala na collapse?
Laging sinasabi sa amin ng coaches, and then sa amin, as seniors, sabi nila na galaw lang kayo para sundin, galaw ko yung tama para sundin kayo ng mga bata. Ganun.
For Olpo, what do you think has been the biggest change sa FEU team na to this season? Kaya so far, medyo upward pa rin yung trajectory po ng team this first round.
Biggest change siguro more of mataas yung determinasyon namin na ma-exceed pa namin yung nagawa namin last year. So gigil kami na kailangan na mahigitan namin kung ano yung nagawa namin. Kaya ayun.
Coach, you have 1 game left again. Ateneo, so I'm sure medyo ito na pa, nag-uumpisa na ng humigpit na laban sa Final Four. So what is the mindset ng team? Especially nga, galing nga kayo sa 2 top losses.
Tinitake naman namin yung tinitake namin yung mga games namin 1 game at a time. So, naka-focus kami nitong huli sa Adamson. Right after nung NU, focus agad sa Adamson. Tapos ngayon, Ateneo. So, kailangan ng pag-aaralan ulit namin. Kasi maganda rin naman yung ginagalaw ng Ateneo. So, kailangan ng pag-aaralan namin. Tapos, ma-execute ulit namin yung dapat i-execute. Tapos, yung proper mindset. Katulad nung nagawa namin na mindset, papunta dito sa Adamson game. Okay.
Paida, what can you say about after 6 games? Are you already adjusted to the UAP style of play?
Yes.
What can you say? Have you already adjusted? Have you familiarized? Are you happy with your performance here in the UAP?
Yes, sure. I'm very happy, and also my performance now before and now did better because coaches adjust for me, tell me the system. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Coach Noel, Ken, and